All right, guys, so I just got the DJI Mini 5 Pro and I'm super excited about it. This is the first time I'm going to fly it. That's my son Jackson there. He came out for the excitement. He wants to see a little drone action here. So he's just going to get out of the way. And we quickly launched this thing. And you know what? I could tell right away is that the quality coming from this drone is better. Like on my screen, it's just super clear. I found this biker going down the sidewalk here, so I quickly chased him. I thought that was a pretty epic shot. And I'm just honestly, I'm already impressed, and I haven't even seen the footage yet. I'm just watching it on my phone. But look how responsive this drone is, guys. You can quickly snap around, turn around, find your subject. It just stops on a dime. I mean, I've had other drones before, but this drone seems to be so far the clearest video I've ever seen and the most responsive. There's 2x zoom, so that works pretty good. Another thing I actually noticed about this drone is the scroll speed for the camera. I like to tilt it up and down. Other drones I've had were a little bit quicker and a little bit jerky, even though they had settings, but this one seems to be nice and smooth. I really like that. It's very cinematic. So I'm just going to get another shot here. So here I am flying past the ditch around my house. And there's my boy playing the fool. He's going to play dead here. There he goes, plop. So he decided he wanted to go to the playground, so I thought I'd chase him out there. So there he is there. And, I did the quick orbit shot here. And my other drones had the orbit shot too. And, they're all steady, they're all great, they're all wonderful. But, I mean, watch this. I'm going to just scrub through it a little bit here. Doesn't that look like a rendered 3D model? Like, it doesn't even look like real footage, does it? It's so steady. So I guess that's enough fooling around at the playground here. I'm just going to pull it up higher into the air. I want to take a look at the neighborhood and see what kind of quality I can get scanning from a big distance here. So here I am high up over the neighborhood. I gotta admit, this looks really good. This is why we bought these drones, right, guys? Anybody that's bought one knows why they bought it, because that 1-inch sensor is just providing an awesome image. And guys, you can't really tell, but it is super windy this day, and look how steady this drone is. I almost didn't want to fly because it was so windy. Guys, I saw what I came to see. Hopefully this helped you. If you're deciding to buy one or not, I highly recommend it. It is worth the price, considering it's 1/3 the price of the next drone up. This is a fantastic drone. So I'm just going to bring it back to the house here, and I'm going to bring it down. And I'm going to land it on my deck. So you can see in the trees how windy it is here. You can actually see it's fairly windy, and it's even windier higher up. I was really surprised how stable this was. But now I'm going to fly it into my deck here, and you can see the deck is really cluttered. It's giving me all kinds of alerts on the remote, proximity sensors, which is good. I'm obviously close to a lot of objects here, but I'm going to see if I could just land it on this small table here, because if you can tell by the grass, I can't land in that grass. It's way too tall. So I pulled this table out here, and you can tilt the camera straight down. You can see the drone there. And let's see if we can land this thing right on the center. Oh yeah. There we go, guys. What did you think of that? It was super easy to fly, super intuitive. If this helped anybody, let me know. That's it, my first flight.